how to set the Wi-Fi, ask to join networks to off, notified or ask on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, scroll down, and in here, tap on the ask to join networks. From here, you can choose between off, notified, or ask. And here you can see that it said that no networks will be joined automatically if no known networks are available. You will have to manually select a network, or you will be notified of available networks, or you will be asked before joining a new network. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.